Hola, I am Yuci. Today, your first Spanish verb. Here is something beautiful about this verb. Learn it once, and you unlock hundreds of other verbs. Same pattern, same endings. Every time. Let's go. Today's verb ends in R. Listen to Carlos say it.
Hablar.
Hablar, it means to speak. In Spanish, most verbs end in R, ER, or IR. The AR group is the biggest, the most common, the most useful. Learn this pattern today, and hundreds of other verbs become easy. Here is the rule. Take the verb, remove R, you get the stem, then add a new ending for each person. Simple. Let's see it in action. 6 forms. Listen to Carlos say each one. Repeat after him.
Hablo.
I speak. Repeat.
Hablas.
You speak. Repeat.
Habla.
He or she speaks. Repeat.
Hablamos.
We speak. Repeat.
Habláis.
You all speak. Repeat.
Hablan.
They speak. Repeat. Now all together. Listen to Carlos. Then you say it again.
Hablo. Hablas. Habla. Hablamos. Habláis. Hablan.
Faster.
Hablo. Hablas. Habla. Hablamos. Habláis. Hablan.
One more time. You go first. You already know the conjugation. Now real sentences. Carlos speaks. Translation is on screen. You repeat after Carlos.
Yo hablo español.
Repeat.
Tú hablas muy bien.
Repeat.
Ella habla con Carlos.
Repeat.
Nosotros hablamos español juntos.
Repeat.
Ellos hablan todos los días.
Repeat. 5 sentences. 5 different forms. You just used the full conjugation in real speech. Now, remember I said, learn this pattern once and unlock hundreds of verbs. Here is what I mean. Same AR endings. Completely different verb. Listen to Carlos.
Trabajo en un hospital.
To work. Same endings as hablar.
Escucho música en español.
To listen. Same endings again.
Caminamos juntos.
To walk. Same pattern. Every time you understood all 3 sentences, because you know the AR pattern, that is the power. Time to practice. 3 exercises. Say the answers out loud. Number 1. Yo hablo blank. I speak.
Hablo.
Number 2.
Hablas.
You speak. Number 3.
Hablamos.
Number 4.
Hablan.
1 sentence about you. Right now, fill in your language. Say your language. Then say this one too.
Yo hablo español.
Say it with Carlos. Because you are learning. That makes it true. Verb, pattern endings unlocks. Use today.
Hablo. Hablas. Habla. Hablamos. Habláis. Hablan.
One more time with Carlos.
Hablo. Hablas. Habla. Hablamos. Habláis. Hablan.
That is verb lesson 1. You know the AR pattern now? Every AR verb you meet from today, you already know how to use it. Next verb lesson, tender to have, very common. Very useful. I will make it simple. Until next time, you can do it.
Hasta la próxima. Tú puedes.